Hello friends, today we will learn NCERT questions of chapter number 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Question number 1, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Answer, some fibers are called synthetic fibers because they are made by man using chemicals. Question number 2. Mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because answer, it is obtained from wood pulp. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Part A. Synthetic fibers are also called man-made or artificial fibers. Part B. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from a raw material called petrochemicals. Part C. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Question number 4. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Answer, the following examples that indicate nylon fibers are very strong are: they are used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. They are used in making seat belts, fishing nets, tire cord, and string for sport rackets and musical instruments. Question number 5. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Answer, plastic containers are favored for storing food because of the following reasons. The plastic do not react with the food stored in them. The plastics are lightweight and strong. They are easy to handle and safe. Question number 6. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Answer, thermoplastics. These plastics soften on heating and can be bent easily. These plastics, when molded once, cannot be softened again. They do not lose their plasticity. Thermosetting plastics lose their plasticity. Examples of thermoplastics are polythene, PVC, etc. Examples of thermosetting plastics are bakelite. Question number 7. Explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. Part A. Saucepan handles. Part B. Electric plugs, switches and plug boards. Answer, since thermosetting plastics are a bad conductor of heat and do not get heated up while cooking, they are used for making saucepan handles. Part B. Since thermosetting plastics are a bad conductor of electricity and the electric current does not pass through such plastics, they are used for making electric plugs, switches and plug boards. Question number 8. Categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Can be recycled: plastic toys, carry bags, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electrical wires. cannot be recycled. Telephone instruments, cooker handles, ballpoint pens, electrical switches. Question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana, giving your reason. Answer: he should buy cotton shirts. This is because cotton has more capacity to hold moisture than synthetic clothes. In summers, we have extensive sweating which is easily soaked by cotton shirts, and hence cotton clothes are much better than the clothes made from synthetic material. Question number 10. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Answer: the literal meaning of non-corrosive is resistant to get destroyed by chemical action. Following are the examples that show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Plastic containers do not react with items stored in it. They do not get rusted when exposed to moisture and air. They do not decompose when left in open for a long period. Question 11. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush should be made of the same material? Explain your answer. Answer: no, the handle and bristles of a toothbrush should not be made of the same material. This is because our gums are soft and the bristles should be made of soft material so that it does not harm the gums. On the other hand, the handles should be made of a hard material so that it can give a firm grip. Question number 12. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Answer: plastics must be avoided as far as possible. The materials made of plastics are non-biodegradable. The use of plastics has a bad effect on the environment when the plastics are burnt. It releases a lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. These plastic materials, when eaten up by the animals like cows, choke their respiratory system. This can cause death of these animals. The waste plastic articles thrown here and there carelessly get into dirty water drains and sewers and block them. In a nutshell, plastics can be considered a threat to our environment. Question number 13. Match the terms of column A with the phrases given in column B. Polyester. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Teflon, used to make non-stick cookware. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. Question number 14. Manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping the conservation of forests. Comment. Answer: in the manufacturing of synthetic fibers, we use only chemical substances and no natural materials. Thus, in turn, we conserve forests. Question number 15. Describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Answer. Arrange a circuit as shown in the given figure. Leave a gap between two ends of the wire. Place a thermoplastic in the gap. Observe the bulb. It is observed that the bulb does not glow. Thank you.